What are some TikTok Shop resources for KDP? Finding resources to connect your Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, books with TikTok Shop can help you leverage short-form video commerce and self-publishing in one strategy. One key resource includes a YouTube tutorial titled Using TikTok and Amazon KDP to Make Over $200,000 per Month, which outlines how authors promote KDP titles on TikTok Shop through viral content. Even if it doesn't cover every detail, it gives a strong model of how to align TikTok Shop features with KDP publishing. Another resource are community forum discussions within the KDP space, where authors question and share how TikTok Shop applies to their book listings. These show real-world experiences such as authors asking whether TikTok Shop allows KDP books, how rights and listing issues are handled, and how to use TikTok for book sales strategy. These shared use cases offer practical insights, detailing pitfalls and best practices from those already combining KDP publishing with TikTok e-commerce. A third resource involves analytics and listing tools like Helium 10. Although Helium 10 is more widely used for Amazon Marketplace sellers, you can repurpose its keyword trend tracking, niche analysis, and content performance dashboards to identify book topics trending on TikTok and optimize your TikTok Shop listing accordingly. Applying Helium 10's data-driven lens to KDP titles gives you stronger positioning in the TikTok Shop ecosystem. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to tools that help you research, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop plus KDP publishing strategy with insight and confidence.